Picture of them individually?
Yeah.
That's what's terrible.
Send them to me.
Yeah, I will.
Because I got, like I said, I got the one.
10 minutes.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Hey guys, this is loud. Little echo.
Yeah, right?
That's good.
It does. It's got a nice little echo to it.
Woo.
I said, what are you hitting now, bro? Your shit's doing like a
64.6 sealed on glass.
64?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I thought I seen a 60
For
in the
415s.
That's nice, bro.
Yeah,
Just 4.
but it's a lot of testing. You know how testing works. Yeah, appreciate it. All right, you want to give me a walk around in here?
It's basically it's 418 Crossfire C7s. I custom built them. They got like weak coils in them. I built the whole system for a 5K. Now I switched up to 2 3Ks, so it's got a little bit more juice.
Okay.
It's those Orion 3Ks. So.
Okay. 6th order?
Yeah, for now it's a 6th.
What's the tuning?
It seems to be peaking at like, I just burped it at 42. Okay. Which, like I said, I just got the battery in and I'm just been playing with it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand. And then your port area. You know your port area?
It's like 600.
660. Okay. 418. A lot of cone area, man.
Yeah.
Wow. How much space? Sorry, 2 more things. How much space is in your box?
It's like 16 cubes in the back and like 35 in the front.
Okay.
Stock alternator with a 100. It's 130 amp stock with an external regulator.
Okay.
I got 2 good ones. They blew up.
Yes, sir. That's some good voltage.
On the batteries, that damn good?
Yeah, that's good.
How many did you have? Did you get the 7.9s?
These are 5.5 amp hour cells. There's 9 of them in each row. There's 4 rows. So it's like, I paid $330 for the cells.
But what are they?
They're Ford C-Max cells, is what they're called. Damn, I smell that. Damn.
Did you smoke?
It's on the stock amp. It's on the stock amp.
But the link that Abby sent me.
You smell that?
They sell the.
Are you cooking them?
Okay.
They sell.
Like I said, each one of them is built for low power.
They sell a 7.9. You know what I'm saying? They sell a 7.9.
Mr. Famous right there, 250,000 views, bro. Holy shit, that's insane. Yeah, that was Myrtle Beach Bayside. That's the most views we've ever had on the video. That shit took off, man. Good shit. Good shit, man.
I have my car back out, probably got another one. We'll give another one.
All right, hell yeah. Good shit, man.
Yeah, I'm like, he's stopping.
Yeah, man. 250,000 views, bro. I couldn't. That's, you know us, man. The last one was Bowman at 180,000. So
Like 100K in like less than 24 hours. I'm like, oh,
it was crazy.
I'm like, all right, it's gonna stop right there.
It's still blowing up my phone with notifications, man. People love that. People just love it.
But the cells you talking about, are they small? You got a positive and negative?
Yep, we'll check them out in the back.
You got the reverse.
Can I see the back?
Yeah, man.
But they got, the ones I looked at, they were
Aromatic.
So what?
Yeah, brother. Nah, these are, check these out. These cells rode at 5.5 amp hour each. All right. The max voltage is 4.2 on them, okay? So you take 4.2 and you times it by 4, and then that's your max charging, okay? It's got like a 3.2 minimum voltage maybe, or maybe it's 2.9, but basically I did the math that works out that you can't go lower than 12 flat, and then it's dangerous. I got the balancer hooked up. I mean, feel it, dude. I've been sitting in traffic for 2 hours. It doesn't get hot at all or anything, you know. I don't think it should. Oh,
I'm telling you, damn, show up. You
Get it, man.
Damn, show over to come to the show. What kind of shit is that?
crazy, bro.
That's bad.
You know what that was bad? It stayed 10 minutes up the road. That was.
You have a picture of them individually?
Yeah.
That's what's terrible.
Send them to me.
Yeah, I will.
Because I got, like I said, I got the ones.
10 minutes
the
on
ones
the
I
road.
looked at. They're about that long. It's a positive and negative. So you got to swap it.
Yeah.
Positive,
Oh, we got here at 9.
But they got
8,
7.3, 7.9. And I think that's volts. So if you turn it around, that'll give you 14 volts for that one or two of them.
He's got it solid up here. Solid everywhere. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.